Welcome everyone. Today we're going to learn business development. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of business development, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why some companies seem to grow effortlessly while others struggle? The difference often comes down to effective business development. This is not just about making sales or running marketing campaigns. It's about creating opportunities for long-term growth and sustainability. In this lecture, you will learn how to clearly define business development and its purpose, understand the core components that make business development unique, recognize how business development extends beyond sales and marketing, identify the strategic aspects that contribute to long-term business growth. At its core, business development is all about growth. It's the process of identifying, nurturing, and implementing opportunities that will lead to business expansion. But here's the thing. Business development is much broader than most people realize. Many think it's just about closing deals or generating leads. In reality, it involves a combination of strategic planning, partnership, and market expansion. And yes, sales and marketing, but as part of a much larger puzzle. This is where it all starts. Business development professionals look at the big picture. They analyze the market, industry trends, and potential threats or opportunities. Strategic planning helps companies decide where they should focus their efforts and resources to achieve sustainable growth. Building strong partnerships is another essential aspect of business development. These alliances may be with suppliers, distributors, or even competitors in some cases. A well-chosen partnership can open new markets, provide additional resources, or create new products and services. Business development isn't just about maintaining the status quo. It's about finding new ways to grow, whether through entering new geographical markets, launching new products, or reaching new customer segments. Market expansion is key to long-term success. While sales and marketing are certainly parts of business development, they're only a piece of the puzzle. The goal isn't just to increase sales for the sake of revenue. Instead, sales and marketing efforts must align with the company's broader growth strategy. Let's look at the story of Netflix. In the late 1990s, Netflix was primarily a DVD rental business, competing with established companies like Blockbuster. But their growth was capped. They couldn't reach their full potential without shifting their strategy. The company's business development team saw an opportunity in digital streaming, a completely new market. With careful planning and strategic partnerships like the one with major content providers, Netflix expanded into streaming services and revolutionized the way we consume entertainment. Growth isn't always about doing more of the same. It's about recognizing new opportunities and making smart moves to take advantage of them. Think of business development like a chess game. In chess, the goal is not just to capture your opponent's pieces. Those are like your sales. The true objective is to checkmate, which requires careful planning, positioning, and thinking several steps ahead. Business development operates the same way. It's about positioning your company to achieve its larger goals, using each move, whether that's partnership, a market entry, or a marketing campaign, to get closer to long-term success. Now that we've unpacked what business development is, here is what I would like you to do as a follow-up. Choose a company you admire and research how they have grown over the years. Identify one key decision or strategy that contributed to their success. Was it a partnership, a new product line, or perhaps a market expansion? Write a short analysis, 300 to 500 words, on how this business development move influenced their growth. I would love to hear your thoughts on today's lecture. Did anything surprise you about what business development entails? Were there any concepts that weren't clear? Feel free to ask questions or share your insights in the comment section. Thank you for joining today's session. Business development is a fascinating and dynamic field, and we've only just scratched the surface. Next time, we will look deeper into the role of business developer and the skills that make them successful. See you then.